Hello everyone. So in this video we will be solving a new Leetcode problem which is find all duplicates in an array. Leetcode 442 problem. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the intuition in your mind. Then try to do the code. So let's read the problem stated. Problem is stated we have given an array nums of length n where all the integers of nums are in the range of 1 to n. Okay, and each integer appears once or twice. Return the n array of all integers that appears twice. Means we have to return a array such that the array should be the repeated element should be there in the array. So you must write an algorithm that runs in big O and time complexity and only constant extra space. Okay. So let's see the example one. So we have given this array 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 2, 3, 1. So as you can see here 3 is repeating two times, 1 is repeating two sorry 3 is repeating two times and 2 also repeating two times, and all elements like 4, 7, 8 and 1 and 1 is repeating one time. So the repeated elements are 2 and 3, so that's why we will return 2 3 in our array. So let's see the example 2. In example 2 you can see 1 is repeating two times and 2 is repeating only one time, so it means 2 is not repeating. 1 is repeating, so that's why we will return 1. So let's see the approach part for this. So as you can see here, we have to return the elements like you can see the elements can be once or twice, but return an array of all integer that appears twice. Okay. So let's see the example this 4 3 2 7 8 2 3 1. Okay, this is my array. Now what I will do is I will store the frequencies of each element in like using the mapping. So what I will do, I will create a map and I will store the frequencies of each elements. Like 4 is coming one time, to 3 is coming two times, 2 is coming two times, 7 is coming only one time, 1 is coming only one time, and 8 is coming only one time. So these are some keys and these are values. Now we'll check like if values is greater than 1, it means how many times this number is occurring. This value is showing how many times this number is occurring. So key is the corresponding number. So now I will check if value is greater than 1. It means it is that this number is occurring twice, means again and again. But in this array, the number can occur only one time or twice. It can be once or twice. Okay. So if my value is greater than 1, it means that this number is occurring. Occurring means the frequency of that particular number is greater than 1. So at that moment of time, I'll push the corresponding key. It means I will push that corresponding number, which number is occurring in our vector, and finally I will return. So let's do the code for this. The coding part is very simple. I will explain you. So firstly, we will create an order map of int comma int type MP, and I will store the frequencies of each character, each elements in the map. So for int I equals to 0, I will less than nums dot size and I plus plus. So here I will write like I am storing the frequencies of each element. So how I will store? I will store like map of nums of I plus plus. So by using this, I have stored my frequencies of each number. Now what I will do, I will traverse the map. So using the auto IT, I am using the iterator to traverse the map, belongs to map. And now I will check. IT dot first is showing the number and IT dot second is showing the value. It means how many times the number is occurring. So I will check if IT dot second is greater than 1. It means that number is occurring twice. It can be twice here in this array, it can be twice. So the number is occurring. So at that moment I have to create a vector, sorry, because I have to return it also. So I have created a vector. Now I will store the frequencies like answer dot pushback of that it dot first. Here I have stored the number. So finally what I will do, I'll simply return the answer. So let's run this and see if this will work or not. So it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is working perfect. So as you can see here, what I have done is simply मैंने एक वेक्टर एनोडर मैप क्रिएट किया है जो कि मेरी ईच नंबर की फ्रीक्वेंसीज को स्टोर करेगा. That number is how many times that number is occurring. Here the number can occur only one time or two times. So by using this for loop, I have stored the frequencies of each number. I have created an answer vector because I have to return it also. Now I am using the for loop to traverse the map, and I am using the iterator it here. And now if this condition is satisfied, like if id dot second is greater than 1, it means this that number is occurring greater than one time, means two times. It can be two times because here the number can be only occur only one time or two times. So in that case, I have I have stored that number in my answer vector, and finally I am returning it. So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Tab tak ke liye bye.